Wow, ang bango ng luto ni Daddy Chef. Iba talaga pag nandito siya. Silipin natin kung ano ang kanyang niluluto. Lau's Kitchenette here. Wow, super laking meatballs. Matiyatagang lang. Beef madla. Beef with onion. Parang triple size na meatballs. Then, nandito yung brown sauce, pepper sauce. Oh, excited to eat. Ready to eat na at ito na nga ang portion ni Daddy Chef. O yan ang kanyang beef with onion at saka may boiled potatoes, caramelized onion rings on top, ang kanyang brown sauce, and on the side ay meron siyang lingonberry jam. That is Daddy Chef and the daughter's portion with the Swedish touch. At sa akin naman ay simple lamang, blanched broccoli, nilagay natin ang beef balls on top, and raw garlic. Ikain na lang po namin kayo. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and God bless.